Hi guys, how are you all today? It's Dahana with Planning with Intentions. Welcome back to all my returning viewers and my subscribers. I want to thank you, each and every one of you, for subscribing, for returning and being so supportive. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. Now, if this is your first time, welcome. I am happy to open my arms to each and every one of you when it comes to the planning community. It is a community where you can't have too many friends, too many supporters, because planning is a section in our life that is just evolving constantly. So having two brains is better than one, and so on. So having support when it comes to planning your life, is in goals in future, it's always a great thing. Now today I'm very excited because I have a gift to all of my subscribers and my supporters that are every week for the last few weeks being so supported to me. I am doing a pretty big giveaway, and my giveaway is for my printable inserts. So for a few months now, I have had an Etsy store. If you guys are not aware, it will be linked down below. But for a gift in the middle of the mid-year and for the upcoming 2022, I would like to give you free inserts. And it's a giveaway, but it's really a gift to every single one of my subscribers that is supporting my channel, for your thoughts and your likes and your time, because everybody's time is extremely precious. So I want to give something back. I'm not a huge channel, which is fine. We all have to go through the steps to get to where we need to get, and I'm perfectly fine with that. But I've noticed in the last couple of weeks, I have had a few extra subscribers here and there. And for that, I want to say a thank you. So what the rules are, they're very simple. You have to be a subscriber on my channel. You have to like this video. You have to leave a comment down below, and leave a comment down below in any future videos that you would like to see when it comes to planning. And there will be a link down below for my Instagram as well. You go to my Instagram, you are following me, and repost the post for the giveaway. That's all you have to do. And what you guys will be receiving will be my monthly bundle. So that is the video for today, guys. I'm very excited. It is my first official giveaway in my new YouTube with planning and organization and personal life, evolving as a human being. That's my goal for this channel, in the sense of always planning for life, and that falls under a lot of categories. Thank you so much, guys. Down below I will leave the rules again, and I hope that you guys enjoy the inserts. And don't forget that this is a way of me saying thank you to each and every one of you for supporting my channel, for supporting me, for liking it, for giving me your thoughts in a positive way. I do truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.